Hey guys, welcome back. Charles Scicli Jr, Desert Elite Properties, bringing another brand new listing in Palm Desert, 74186 Pele Place. Come on in. The interior of the property is just over 2,100 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom. This is a semi-custom tract. You have big tile floors, large baseboard, 10 and 12 foot ceilings, all 8-foot doors, granite countertops in the kitchen, marble bathrooms, fireplace with a pool and spa. Thanks for checking out my brand new listing at 74186 Pele Place. I'm Charles Scicli with Desert Elite Properties. For more information, contact me direct.